Hello once again, Tech Geek 311 here. Going to do another app review and tutorial over Task. Alright, today's app review and tutorial is going to cover the app called Task. We're going to go in here and I'll show you Task so you can see what it is. Alright, so Task is basically a productivity app, and what this app allows you to do is it's very similar to a lot of other gesture apps. It allows you to have your list of all the tasks you need to get done by today, tomorrow, or the certain date that you choose. You're able to pull down, get your calendar information so you can choose what date you want. You're able to swipe across to check it off as okay. It also has iCloud, so all your tasks will be remembered and saved and backed up in case you need them again. Go in here in the description, it says the task is the easiest way to plan your days, timeline, and gestures. Tells you what's new, what they've been updating. You can see they've been updated as early as June 29th, 2003. You can get all the developers' info, see all the apps that they have. You can also go in here to the packages. Now this purchases here, unfortunately, they didn't have this prior to this update, so this is something new. If you want to unlock all the themes now, they charge you $1 to do that. So that's something new with that last update. You can look in here and you can see all the version history, so you can see how that this app has been constantly updated. Alright, so let's go out of here. Let's go into the app itself. Now, I have nothing created in here right now, but what I want to do is I want to show you, if you pull the screen down all the way, then you get the settings menu. This gives you their about, tells you who the company is. It gives you their help menu, which is fully animated and automated, so you can see in here what it's telling you what to do. You can look over here, it says pull to switch between past and present. You have here to pinch two tasks apart to create a new one. You have swipe right to complete. Gives you swipe left to delete. You have long press to move. You also says you can unfold a full calendar. Okay, and now we're going to go into your themes. Like I said, I'm using the classic one. If you notice, all the others have a padlock to them. You get the option on the very top to unlock them for 99 cents. You also get your separate tones. You can pick and choose which tones you want. And if you've purchased any of these before and you've had to reinstall this app, you have to restore my purchases, so you don't have to pay your 99 cents again. If we swipe all the way up, I want to show you something too. If you put your finger in the center and you pull down slightly, you get today's time and today's date. This is the way you always know what the date and time is before you set up your task. So let's go into today. We're going to swipe up. You can type in whatever you want. So we're going to do test app now. Okay. Right above that you see the word saying today. If I swipe my finger across, you're going to get tomorrow. I swipe it across, you're going to get the days of the week. And all the way across, you get all the days of the week if you want. If you don't want to go doing that, pull down, and you're going to have your calendar. Then from here, pick what you want. These are all past, so it's grayed out. And these are all current. If you want another month, just swipe across the screen. Swipe across, you get the next month. Depends on how far you want this to be done. If you want, swipe across the top and you're going to get those same dates. So we're going to stick with today for right now. So I'm going to go into today, select 28th. We're going to go into reminder now. Here we can select the time. So I don't remember exactly what time it is. Alright, so I swipe down, there's my time. It's 1:58. So I'm going to set it for 2 p.m. Tap anywhere on the screen, and there's your task. We go out, you're going to see that little app badge icon. The beauty about this app though is that after midnight, if you have a task set up for the next day, you'll get that app badge icon without having to go in and reopen this application. So that's a very good feature that this app has. So you can set up your entire week of tasks, not even worry about the next days, because after midnight you're going to see exactly how many you have due for that next day. Alright? So we're going to go back in here, even though I already set that up. Let's say you want to set up another day. You want to set up another week. Tap anywhere on the screen, automatically you get the next days. Here you can type in whatever you want. Doesn't really make a difference. Hit done, and there it is. Now I don't have a reminder set for this, so if I go back out, you'll notice I still have the one badge for today, because I selected for my app badge to be today's task only. So you won't get badges for every other day of the week. You won't have a ton of app badges to show you, just for the ones that you have that are due now, the current ones. Alright, if I notice that I've got about a little less than a minute here, we set this for the 2 p.m. so I'll show you how the alert comes through. And this is a very good application to use for your tasks, daily, weekly, whatever it is. There it is, and there's your alert. You can tap on that, it'll bring you right back into the application. Alright, I'm done with that. I swipe it across, tells me I'm done. If I really want to go into the past, I can swipe it all the way up, go into my past, but I have nothing in there. So I take my finger to the right, and that's yesterday. That's where it automatically will throw once I'm done. So now, let's go in here, and I want to come all the way up, take my finger to the right, and squeeze it all the way, and get rid of it. Same thing, I don't want this one for tomorrow, squeeze it all the way, and get rid of it. And that's pretty much the way this application works. It's a very nice app. It's very user-friendly, so anyone can actually use it. Very simple. You can have your tasks for all day long. You can have next day, next month, even next year if you really want to. Set up as many as you want. It's easy to swipe through. The alarms come through very clear. And I think for my review, I have to say this is one of the best productivity apps that I've used before, and I keep it on my iPhone because I use it for all kinds of tasks here and there. I love the updating of the app badge after midnight. That's the best feature of this one. So that was a quick tutorial over this application. Give you guys an idea about how it works, what it's about. So if you guys are interested in this application, don't forget to click that link below in the description. And if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe below, and you'll get more. And I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.